Hello folks, this is Scott Hayden from All Seasons RV, located right here in Streetsboro, Ohio, right off of State Route 14. Today I'm standing in front of the 2021 Flagstaff E-Pro 20 BHS. This is an absolute beautiful camper. Now this is tongue to bumper, 21 foot 2 inches. The camper roughly weighs about 3,600 pounds, so that way you know if it's going to fit your towing vehicle. What I'd like to do today is kind of start on the outside, walking around, so that way you can get a full understanding of the camper. And if you're interested, you can let us know. So starting off here, we do have a power tongue jack, which is really nice, easy, even has like a little docking light. Makes life easy for you while you're hooking up. This is two 20-pound propane tanks. Beautiful front cab here. Now this window obviously is kind of like your car window. It won't shatter on you while you're driving down the road. And then you have some stone protecting here. So working our way to the side here, this is Azdel fiberglass. What's Azdel fiberglass, you ask? This fiberglass is actually resistant to mold and rust. So this is extremely good quality fiberglass that you're going to have out there. I want to show you here that this does have manual jacks. What you're going to need to do is bring a cordless drill with you with a 3/4 bit. You can fire those up and down really quick, but it also comes with a hand crank. So if you want to do it the old-fashioned way, that's up to you. Now looking through here, we do have a full pass-through storage on the camper. So plenty of area in the front there, just if you got to load up lawn chairs or anything like that. Over here, this awning is 14 foot long. Absolutely beautiful. We can't even extend it out because it's so big. It comes out 8 foot, so 8 by 14 foot. Huge awning, beautiful white LED underneath there. So it has a really cool effect. Plenty of room to be outside here if you're grilling or hanging out. Now these are frameless windows, which are really nice. You'll get less streaking out of them. Working our way around, this does come with a table that you can set up, and there's also a LP hookup. What's LP, you ask? It's a fancy way of saying propane. So if you do have a grill that you want to bring that's portable, hook that right in. And then you have some hookups outside here, 110. So that way, if you wanted to actually bring a crock pot out with you and plug it in, heat it up because you want to spend time outside while you're camping. That's a total great idea there. Working our way around, it does come with a ladder here up top. And I'll kind of show this again, but up top, there's actually racks up there if you wanted to put kayaks up there or bikes. But to even make it better, you can actually buy a Thule rack for your kayaks, so that way they won't slide off. You would have to kind of tie them down right now. This is a black tank flush. What's that, you ask? That is actually, when you hook up a garden hose, it'll do a sweeping motion. And that way, if there's any toilet paper or anything stuck on your sensors, it'll totally get all that off for you so your sensors are always clean. At least recommend doing this a couple times a season. Working our way around here. I know that sometimes it's better looking inside, but I'd rather show you the outside. What's nice about this, obviously, it's a bunkhouse that sleeps 5, but you open this up, traveling down the road, you need extra storage space. You can literally lift this up. You want to put a bike in there, you want to put something else, plenty of storage room in there. And that just seals up against the wall. So it's a really nice feature to have to be able to add storage space. Folks, inside of the 20 BHS by Flagstaff, kind of want to go over some of the really cool features in here. Now we have 5/8 tongue group plywood flooring, so it has a really strong base here. 3/8 to the roof. Total walkable roof. Looking in here, you have your nice bed. It does come with a TV that has a DVD player, and the radio that's up there is AM, FM, Bluetooth. Now, if you want to play your music inside, you want to play it out, you want to play it both, you have that capability. Looking around here, nice cool features that they're putting in is a 110 hookup and USB here. And if you don't want that in the way, literally you can slide that back down and hide that. Now, when we look at the roof, I kind of want to point this out. You won't really see the voltage meter, but up top is a 190 watt solar panel. So if you're looking to go off the grid, do some dry camping, this is the camper you want to be in. Also up here, we have a 13,500 BTU air conditioner. And just to show you the kitchen area here, which it does have cabinetry, where you can have some extra storage here. Stainless steel sink. 3-burner stove. Beautiful oven combo here. And it's a little bit bigger than the average, so don't let the actual video deter you. This is a pretty big oven for a camper. Over this way, it does come with a Magic Chef microwave. Plenty of room in there. And also what's really cool is now they're putting in Magic Chef 12-volt fridges. It's such a cool idea that these fridges cool down so much quicker than the propane. And also, you don't have to run propane. It's 12-volt hookup. Plenty of space in there. Cools down really quick. So it saves you on the propane. Saves you on that time trying to get ready. You can literally put your food in here while it's still warm. Start your way down the road. This fridge is actually running off your battery. And that way you have a nice cool fridge going down the road. Now the dinette here, it's very beautiful. You do have storage underneath on both sides, so plenty of space there. And then also what you have is the dinette goes down into a sleeping area. So that's where we get to number 5 because we're looking 2 for the bed, 1 for here. Working our way back here. This is your nice bunk area here. Very thick, cushiony mattresses. Not the small standard size. Flagstaff goes a little bit farther on putting a nice cushy mattress in there. So plenty of area. You do have 110 and USB hookups in here because I know kids have all kinds of things. Laptops, iPads, phones. Definitely have to have the chargers in the 110 and the actual bunk area. Showing you here, nice pantry area. If you don't want it for pantry, you can actually turn this into a closet. You just pull up the shelves and move them out of the way. And then working our way into the bathroom here. Very spacious. Now this is a smaller camper, but very spacious inside here. Max air vent. Comes standard with the E-Pros. Beautiful. This is tons of area down here for actually on the toilet. And one really cool feature I want to show you is a shower miser. What that little blue elbow does is it turns a cream color when your water is warm. So that way you're not wasting all that water waiting for it to get hot and letting your water run. It'll literally let you know when it has a cream color. Your water's warm now. So this is kind of a quick showing of the E-Pro 20 BHS. If you have any questions or anything we can help you with, feel free to give us a call. Our phone number is 330-564-0222. Once again, that's 330-564-0222. Once again, my name is Scott. And we look forward to hearing from you. Happy camping out there.